Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix WhatsApp notification not showing on home screen. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your WhatsApp messages not showing on your home screen, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to open your WhatsApp. Just tap on this three dot in top right side corner. Then tap on settings. Then tap on notification. After that, in top right side corner you will find three dots. You just need to click on that. Then click on reset notification setting. After that, then go back. After trying this, hope your issue will be resolved. If this issue is with an individual contact, then you just need to open the WhatsApp again. You need to select the chat from which you are facing the notification problem. Suppose this is your contact through which you are facing the issue. Then tap on this contact name. After that, you can see here below you will find mute notification option. If it is enabled, you just need to disable this option. Then go back. Then you just need to long press on WhatsApp. Then go to app info. You can see here second option, app info. You just need to click on this. Once tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Once tap on clear cache, then go back. Here you can see notification. It is turned off. You just need to open this and enable all the notifications. Then close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix WhatsApp notification not showing on your home screen. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.